What's going on, guys? Got a AC condensate drain clogged. You can see the water filled up there inside the drain. Shouldn't have any standing water in there. So we're going to run the little snake down there, get that opened up. And the AC is actually low on charge as well. So we're going to just do a gas and go today. The coil's leaking, the evaporator, and I don't have a coil here today, so we're just going to do a little gas and go, get them going for a few days so I can get a coil, and we'll swap that out. So I'm going to get my little drain machine and we'll get this opened up here. You can hear it draining already. Yeah, this 3-inch pipe, it goes down about a foot, and then it goes to an 1.5-inch reducer. And at that reducer, that's where they always clog up at. Just from like dryer lint, pet hair, all that stuff just gets down there at that reducer. So you just poke the cable down there, and I'll go ahead and run it out a little bit, get it cleared out. Nothing on the cutter. Now turn the water on here. Like to run the hot water in there, get it flushed out real good. It's normally how I check them, especially on a turn. I'll just come, open the valve up, run some water through. If I start seeing the pipe filling up and I know it needs cleaned out, this is a call for the AC. And I just noticed that pipe had standing water. Caught it before it got too late and started backing up all over the floor. So we're good to go there. I know a lot of people say it's not good to open these up because then you'll start having leaks. They won't seal back up. But this place isn't that old, so not a lot of buildup in these tanks yet. And if there is, I'll just drain it down and change the blow off. It's not a big deal. So, alright, we'll get ready to go out and set up the gauges. Get the 410 out and we'll do a little gas and go. Okay, we're outside at the unit, getting ready to do a gas and go. I got, let's see, 9 pounds and 11 ounces left in this tank here. And we got our hoses all hooked up. Well, the low side, I'm not even going to bother hooking up the high side. Bleed out the yellow. Okay. And we're about 99.5. PSI on the low side, so we're close to like 101. We're right about freezing, so yeah, we're right at 32 degrees on our vapor, 31.8. So it's not too low, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it some juice. Just a little gas and go to get by until I can get an evaporator coil. Just keep it above freezing. So I'm not going to worry about down in a superheat or anything like that. Don't even have the high side hooked up. I'm going to get the vapor up to about 40, or try to anyway. I might have to get another tank here because with the 9 pounds, 11 ounces, that's the weight of the tank as well. And I think when this tank was new, I looked on my paper, it weighed 33 pounds and I think 2 or 3 ounces. So that 8 pounds and 2 or 3 ounces is the weight of the tank, you know, because there's 25 pounds of refrigerant in them. So there's not much refrigerant left in this thing. Get what I can in there. Alright, well, I'm going to let that stabilize, see where we're at. Alright, and this tank's pretty much empty. So I got the new tank set up, got the line bled, and we're sitting around 107, 108. Still dropping. It's been about 5 minutes. Go ahead and give it a little more juice. Alright, well, I'm going to let this settle, and I think I'm going to call this one good. And we should be back with a new video with the evaporator coil. Alright, on to the next one.